What is going on, my Sassomoto family? Hopefully all you guys are doing great. Obviously you can see that we survived the hurricane, which was more like a tropical storm. Finally got to take out Luna. Sheesh, man, let me just tell you, there's been some stuff going on with this weather, and it's been insane. All of this was flooded. I mean, if you see my previous video, you get to see that I had all of this was like, you couldn't move any of the vehicles. The water was so deep, it was insane. After the weather of not the hurricane, but it was more like a tropical depression by the time it reached Central Florida. But it did dump a lot of rain on us. But reaching Central Florida, let me just tell you, after that, the temperature dropped dramatically, and it's like we went right into winter. We skipped fall, went straight into winter. We're gonna go ahead and check out the house. It's kind of late, 6:28. Usually I do these vlogs a lot earlier, but you know, I had a bunch of stuff I had to take care of, and so we're gonna go head out over there now. God, this feels weird. Why is it? It feels spongy. Or is it just me? Maybe because I haven't ridden in a while. Maybe she's not warmed up yet. I don't know, but I've been dying to ride, let me just tell you. And I've been dying to find out what is going on. My car is giving me issues. Apparently I need the struts replaced. Like, my life is falling apart. But we're gonna go ahead and get this cruise on and head over to the new crib. So nice neighbors. This truck is so beautiful, let me just tell you. It feels so nice out today. It's not like scorching hot like it usually is, and today is just absolutely gorgeous. Like, I'm really loving this. All right, what else has been happening in my life? The storm just kind of took a toll a little bit. What I ended up doing is having to work a lot more hours, kind of catching up with everything, because I'm in the travel industry. For the guys that don't know what I do, I'll explain. I'm actually don't jump here in front of me, please. I'm in the travel industry, sales, and sales and service and marketing. So with that being said, that's what I do as my daytime job. So of course, whenever there's a hurricane or a storm or tornado, any of those things that could affect anything to do with traveling, that's where I kind of go into full gear overdrive. I was at home. The only thing that went out was the internet. Everything else was just like, it was good. You know, we had electricity, so the whole time I was good. So with that being said, I was kind of just on the sidelines until we went into the office. We took Wednesday, Thursday off, and then Friday we went back into the office and everything was in full-fledged gear. It is what it is. I know people like really crap on Florida for their weather, and they're scared of it. But I guess I grew up around this because I'm originally from Puerto Rico. For those of you who don't know, I'm Puerto Rican descent. And of course, you know, my family out in Puerto Rico, they're also not having the best of times because right now they have no electricity. And they're still sitting with no electricity. I mean, we checked up on each other. My mom checks up on me and stuff like that. So they are both well. Just, you know, dealing with stuff like that, it's not easy. The other big thing, and that's going on with my channel, let me just tell you guys, I'm currently, as we speak, sitting at 999 subscribers. If that doesn't boost up your anxiety, I don't know what will. I keep looking at that number and seeing if that's going to change anytime soon. I need to stop looking at it. I need to stop looking at it because that has been the number that I've been looking at, trying to find out, you know, am I going to hit those that 1,000 subs that everybody's talking. It's just a milestone, but it means a lot because it means that you guys are here enjoying my content, enjoying what I have to offer. It's not a lot that I have to offer, but you know what I'm saying, you guys are here for it. You guys interact with me. I thank each and every single one of you guys for being here with me. You could choose to be anywhere else in any other channel, but you guys choose to be here. It's well appreciated, and I'm out of awe that I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. You know, which about what, a month or two ago I was at 800 and something, 850 or something like that, and now I'm at 1K just about. So it's been insane. It's been a ride, and I'm still enjoying it. I'm just I'm figuring out, once I move, I could figure out my next move with the channel, and see what can I do and things of that nature. There's some works that I don't want to talk about that I want to bring up on the channel and tell you guys what's going on. Like, I know it's kind of sucks that I'm not telling you guys what it is. You know, first is the house, once I get settled into the house, then I get to see if my other plans fall into rotation. It falls into motion. The other rider that I watch I watch a lot of his content is Covert Mecha. He is very, very informative, very, very knowledgeable when it comes to a lot of YouTube and when it comes to the algorithm and things of that nature. Like, all of us are trying to figure it out, and it's kind of cool that all of us have different perspectives on the whole algorithm thing. Like, it's just the most interesting thing ever. It's hard to get that scale moving. Like, there are people who just hop on the channel and do whatever, and they'll have that one viral video that'll help them out for the rest of the other stuff. You know, there's other people that just go full-fledged with the channel. They're like, yeah, I bought a ton of equipment and make it look super professional, and the channel doesn't go far. It's the craziest thing. Like, I don't understand how that works, but it's the nature of the beast. My boy David is here. There's workers here, so I can't go in because they will start. I don't know if they would mind or not, to be honest. Well, this is not going to be done by November. I can almost guarantee that. 37 and 38. There's my house right there. They are currently working on this thing. Yeah, that's it right there, 38. So, yeah, because that's 40. That's 38. So yeah, they're currently working on it. I can't go in it. They put doors up. I'm gonna go in the back, right through the back, and see where. I think it's this one. I think. No doors on these, so that means they're still working on it. I think this is 38. Yep. I think it's that one right there. I'm not sure, or it could be this one. Not sure. There's a car behind me, so I gotta go. But yeah, no, it's not numbered as of yet. Alright, so came to look at the progress. Couldn't go inside because there's workers in there, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna kick you out. No, I know there's a sign that says no trespassing. Let me do some footage, man. I want to do some crazy footage. Let's see. I want video. Can I do? Yes, I can. I want to do HD, 60 frames. Alright. This is what I did last time. I hit record, unplugged it. What's happening? We are back. I had to take care of some, take some pictures for the Instagram. And by the way, guys, got some good photos and videos and stuff. Where are my gloves at? I got some good photos and videos on my Instagram. If you guys are not following me there, same name as my YouTube channel, Sasamoto. I'll be easy to find. Some great content there. Go on over there too. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. You know, share with your friends, share with your family. I do this all for fun. You know, I love the motorcycle community. I love what I do. I'm learning about photography and angles and all kinds of stuff. There's a lot involved in photography world that I was not aware of, and it's kind of cool. I'm really enjoying this. Like, something much different, something I truly enjoy. That's basically it. I mean, that's all I got. It was going to be something quick, easy, and simple. I wouldn't call it short because I don't think this is going to be short. But I enjoy what I do, and I enjoy that you guys enjoy what I enjoy. You know, it's all about creating memories. That's all it is, you know. When I'm gone from this world, this will live on as long as YouTube is still around. So, once again, you guys, thank you so much for being part of the Sasamoto family. Love each and every one of you guys. Stay safe, stay humble, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace!